Exactly what has Fubara done to these people that they will not leave him alone? It is really shocking and unbelievable. As we speak at the moment, Pro-Wike's assembly renew fraud with Fubara as tensions begin to rise in, Rivers State. This is as a result of one man's yearning, and the leadership, the president, and others are in support, backing him, against, the terms of good governance. And the truth of it is that everything continues the same way, everything continues to go the same way as it was before. The whole call for godfatherism and the rest seem to want to continue. So everybody is trying to really understand what exactly is going on here. So the House of Assembly, rather, of River State have started again with Fubara. I wonder if this man will be able to do anything. To make things worse is that he has reinstated the commissioners that resigned willingly. So it is more disappointing than you can imagine. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Let's get all the details. The intention of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the reported resolution reached by Governor Sim Fubara and his predecessor, political benefactor Nyesom Wike, seem to have done little to dust the political tension in the state, Daily Trust on Sunday reports. While the two political leaders pledged commitment to the letters of the resolution, recent actions indicate that oil is still not well, and a full-blown crisis might just be days away. The Cold War between the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike, and Fubara seem to have been shifted to the Rivers State House of Assembly as pro-Wike's lawmakers are locked in a face-off with the governor. They will not allow him to do anything tangible that could potentially bring development to the state as he has promised the people. The assembly last week override the ascertainment of the governor to 4 bills which were earlier passed and sent to him for assent. The House took the decision to override the governor after he withdrew his assent to the 4 bills via letter stating that such amendment will create confusion and breach constitutional provision. Speaking on the Rivers State House of Assembly Fraud Management Bill, which was represented by the Majority Leader, Major Jack, debated by the House and members, speakers, Martin, cites Section 100, subsection 5 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, which is said empowers the House to override the governor where he withhold his assent to a bill. The Speaker put the matter to vote, and the 24 members passed unanimous agreement to override the governor. In a like manner, the Rivers State Local Government Law Amendment Bill, the Rivers State Traditional Rulers Law Amendment Bill, and the Rivers State Advertisement Use of State-Owned Property Prohibition Bill were all represented, debated, and voted on, after which the House unanimously agreed to override the governor, reject the bill. Commenting on this matter, Amawili described the amendment to the Rivers State Traditional Rulers as a law that is not accepted to the people, saying it will go against the will of the people, adding that the House amended the law, including a resolution. They recognized the suspension of traditional rulers in the state to curb obiteness. On the repeal of the Rivers State Advertisement and Use of State-Owned Property Law Prohibition Law number 7 of 2022, the Speaker remarked that the House decided to repeal the law as not to financially overburden the people of the state and impair their access to the use of state-owned property, but regretted that the governor withhold access to all these people-oriented bill. However, political observers noted that the bills were targeted at downplaying the political power and influence of the governor in the state, as they were all part of the instrument Wike is using to ensure that Fubara's hands are tied. They argued that while serving as Governor, Wike was known to suspend local council chairman and appointing critical committee. They noted that the appointment of critical committee at the as the expense at the expiration of their tenure and the current council office would have served as an opportunity for the governor to appoint his loyalists at the grassroots. Observers also noted that repeal of the Rivers State Advertisement and Use of State-Owned Property Prohibition Law number 7 of 2022 was used by Wike to lead administration to gang activities of opposition in the state, including withdrawing the approval of the venue of the rally of the then presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party. So this is what is happening. Everybody is really wondering, what exactly is going on, because it is clear that Wike, have made up his mind, to ensure that Fubara is really oppressed. And Fubara, I don't know, he said he was appreciating President Tinubu, but the truth of it is, it did not really solve any problem, because as we speak, it has done more harm than good. And everybody is trying to understand what the next line of action really is. So whether you like it or not, you can see for yourself that there are really very, very critical and real, words here for us to know what to do and how to do it. Okay? So it is a very serious one. So everybody is watching and we want the truth to be manifested. So at the end of the day, we do not leave ourselves in the hands of those who could potentially wants to destroy the nation. Please don't forget, everybody is important. Every one of us have a part to play. Don't forget to please like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can have all our latest news. God bless. Bye for now. Bye-bye.